Hey Trail Travelers, it is Carrie, and we've had this Tuffy box on here for quite a while, and I think it's time to get rid of it. And it's not that I don't like it, because I really, really do, but it's just, I've just kind of changed the way I do things once in a while. And I had all the recovery gear in here, and it was great, kept everything out of the way. But now I have more gear, I have more tools, and I find it's easier just to have some bags in here to work with. And then when it comes to using this as a table, it just doesn't work that great. There's just, you know, you got the lip on here, there's just not a lot of room. So out with the old, in with the new, and the Tuffy box is gonna go away. So we're going to be replacing the Tuffy box with a Rockslide engineering folding table. This is going to give us more table space. It's actually 2 levels, so lots of room when you're fixing lunch out on the trail or putting up a little stove or something. A lot of room to work with, and it's not going to take up as much of the cargo space in the back, giving me back about 4 or 5 inches of space, which I kind of need back there for some other things that we're doing. So what is better than having a Rockslide engineering table? It's having 2 of them, because I'm installing one on Optimus, and one of these is going to one of you. So all you're going to have to do is comment on this video, say, I want to win it. And on, let's see, how about Valentine's Day? On Valentine's Day, we will pick a winner for a Rockslide engineering table. So first we got to pull off the Tuff box, and then we'll get to putting on the Rockslide table. All right, we've got it out of the box here. It's nicely packaged. We've got an installation manual here. Got some stickers. Got to have the stickers, right? So we'll crack this open, see what it's going to take to get this installed. I think it's going to be pretty easy. It says the only tools required: Phillips screwdriver and a 4mm head hex. Oh, that's it. For the JL model, all we need is a 4mm hex head driver. Great, 1 tool. Let's get to it. Now, one thing that Rockslide has done to make this easier is they've provided some tiny little O-rings. So this is going to serve 2 purposes. 1, it's going to hold the bolt in place, and 2, it's going to hold the spacer in place. So very thoughtful, because sometimes putting things like this on that are kind of blind, where you can't really see where you're going, what you're doing, can be pretty difficult. But having little O-rings like this to hold things in place is definitely a welcome little touch that you just don't see from other manufacturers. Now, this is the first Rockslide engineering product that I have put on my Jeep, although I have friends that have the same table, or that they have the automated rock slider steps. Those are really cool. So this is just going together really, really nice. It'll probably help to get a hand to lift it up onto the tailgate, but for the most part, I'm going to be able to get most of this all done myself. All right, this went together really, really fast. And as you see, you have a main table here, you have a top that can be used for other stuff, or you can just flip that out of the way and have more room for like a camp stove or something. And it's nice that it has these side panels to kind of block the wind from, you know, getting to your stuff while you're working. And then to fold it up, everything just gets put away. Very, very easy, and it stores very nicely. So there shouldn't be any issue with rattles. It should open up and work for us when we're off on the trail, and it's going to give me some more room in the back than I had with the Tuffy box. I'm going to miss the Tuffy box because it was a great place to store stuff, but I'm just going to use some bags. So I have a bag of tools, I have a bag of recovery gear, make my life a little bit easier, and have a more functional table on the back. So this is the Rockslide engineering folding table for the Jeep JL and JK. And if you'd like one, well, I mean, I can't give one to everyone because I only have one to give away. Be sure and comment below that you'd like to win the Rockslide engineering table. And on February 14th, that's right, Valentine's Day, I'll announce who the winner is and we'll get it shipped out to you. So thanks for watching, everybody. This has been Kerry with Trail Traveler. Thanks to Rockslide Engineering, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.